Hi everyone! If you are looking for an easy paper mache project, this is for you. Let's start with a foam ball. A medium size foam ball will do, that I usually get from the dollar store. Then I take a utility knife and cut it in half. There's already a line there in the middle, so that will make it a little easier. So cut it in half and then cut off a slice. I take a knife, which can be a plastic knife or in my case here a palette knife, which I really like, and I start spreading the paper pulp on the slice, then on the sides and on the back as well. I picked up these magnets at the dollar store and I will use only 2 small ones. Just put them in the middle, push them in like that, and I make it smooth with my finger. Next, I'm making the feet out of paper pulp balls. Stick them on the body and then just make the bond stronger with my palette knife. I make some cuts with my knife for the claws. Once I'm done with all the feet, I will add the tail. Attach it to the body with the help of the knife, just like before, but this time I take a little water and that will help me smooth the texture and the shape of the tail. The next step is the head of the turtle. This larger ball is for the shell. I flatten the ball with the help of my fingers and my tool, and then I place it on the body to see if it's the right size. This one seems a little bit smaller than intended, so I can make it larger like that and try it on again. I think it's the right size now. I will make a smaller ball and place it on the top of the other, so this way it will make it a little bit more convex. The end of a brush seems handy to make textures on the shell, on the outer side of the shell. So I decided to make the head a little bit more detailed. I'm shaping it into a triangle and make a cut for the mouth carefully, because it's so small, it's not easy to handle it, but I'm taking my time and try to get that big shape as much as possible. And after this, I'm making tiny holes for the eyeballs. I'm taking really tiny pieces of mache and make them into small balls, so tiny, and then just try to stick them on into the holes already made. Looks like they worked. And the last thing to do is the pattern on the back of the shell, which is a really interesting and intricate pattern, and I looked it up online. I can show you a picture. And lastly, I fix up the mouth a little bit, take a pencil and make the eyeball with the help of that, and my turtle is done. Well, at least the sculpted part of it, because now after it's all dry, which takes about 2-3 days, I can go ahead and paint it. I usually start with a base color, which can be black or a dark color, and then I wipe off some of the color, and this way I get nice highlighted spots that can be painted with different colors. Check out my finished turtles at the end, and if you like this session, please subscribe and come back again.